What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Jasmy fam. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate all the support on the videos. You guys are the absolute best. If you're new to the channel, you've been around, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family, and always remember, I am not a financial advisor, guys. Right now, the markets aren't looking that great. Bitcoin and Ethereum are down a lot. A lot of other altcoins are down. Again, guys, when we're talking about price action, it's not just Jasmy that is not performing well. A ton of other alts are not doing that great as well. And if we take a look right here, guys, as you can see, Bitcoin has fallen below the bull market support band. When it did that previously, we tried to push back up, but then it went on a serious decline, okay? And what we're seeing right now is another decline below, a fall below the bull market support band. So will we see another decline for Bitcoin, where Bitcoin goes to the 23k 20k range? We'll have to keep an eye on that, but just know a lot of altcoins will be affected by that, Jasmy included, okay? From Hardwood family, Jasmy haven't felt this good about a coin in a while. So excited to be a part of it. And you see the engagement here, 2 thumbs up, 3 likes from Hector Dale. I'm bullish on Jasmy, keep accumulating and selling at the bull run. 10 hearts for this. This is exactly the way you're supposed to be thinking. You accumulate projects like great altcoins that have great fundamentals, have great utility. Then when the bull market is back, that's when you start to take profit, guys. It's gonna be, if crypto was easy, everyone could make it. Let's be honest. If crypto was easy, everyone would be rich in crypto right now. It's not easy. There's market makers, there's manipulation, there's a ton of factors that go in to keep people from making money and keep people from becoming wealthy. But the simplest form of making money and getting wealthy in crypto is accumulating in the bear market, in the terrible market conditions, great altcoins that you have, that you are bullish on and have conviction on. And then in the bull market, when Jimmy from down the street is asking you how to buy, you know, Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, when Jimmy's asking you how to buy Dogecoin, that's when you start taking profit. From Jay the Crypto God, Jasmy bullish on Jasmy. When Bitcoin goes up to 38k, Jasmy will be around $4 to $6, so perfect time to buy. 6 likes for this. Now, let's be more conservative with our price targets. Jay the Crypto God, I know it's great to be optimistic, but I'm sure, in my opinion, a 50 cents to $1 Jasmy is on the cards in the future. I just see it being very possible with what the company and the team are aiming to accomplish with Jasmy. Shiba Inu went to $50 billion in market cap in the last bull market, right? I wouldn't be surprised Jasmy could touch that with everything that has, you know, that is a part of Jasmy. Binance Japan, Japanese investors, the Japanese regulation with the Japanese government, Jasmy secure PCs, the products that they've developed, soon to be released, the Jasmy personal data lockers, the lockup on, you know, a certain amount of tokens. We'll get more information on that in the future, I'm sure. But there's so much bullish things going for Jasmy. Now it's just a matter of accumulation and patience, right? From Dr. Jasmy, short-term targets for Jasmy: 134%, 150%, 211%, 263%, and a DCA at the low. So right here you can see he has you know, their DCA zone tied in. And after we go back down, probably we wick down to that 0.03 mark for Jasmy, and then we start a move up to 0.79, 0.8, 1 cent, and 1.2 cent, right? And these are just going to be short-term targets. There's another project recently that had a lot of FUD around it with they actually increased the total supply, right? There was a total supply of 1 billion and they increased the total supply to 20 billion, right? One catalyst, like the whole community of that project, won't say the name, but the entire community of that project gave up on it, saying it's just gonna keep falling, it's just gonna it's never gonna rise again, nothing's gonna ever happen for it. One catalyst, one one sliver of good news, and now all of a sudden the project has started an uptrend. I'm telling you guys, crypto is very unpredictable. Don't rule out anything in crypto. Don't rule out any project, because just as much as they have corrected or fallen in price, they could turn it around in an instant, guys, like in the snap of a finger. From May, Jasmy has tested its bottom. Now it's working its way up. That's awesome stuff from Bittrade. Bittrade Japan. Look at this, 31k followers on Twitter, right? Can I actually read the bio? Let's see. This is the official Twitter account of the crypto trading service Bittrade. We will send you service information, campaign information, etc. Bittrade Co. Limited, Kanto Local Finance Bureau registration. Look at that, right? And look at what we have here. Notice, lending crypto assets in regular subscription from 12th today. Jasmy's regular recruitment will start. This product will end as soon as total amount is reached, so don't miss it. So Bittrade, a Japanese exchange, is listing Jasmy, right? If they're not listing Jasmy, they have a campaign ongoing. And this is the type of news that I'm talking about, guys. This is the type of things that is super bullish, that like every time you research Jasmy, there's things going on in the ecosystem happening for the project, right? This is very bullish. They also have an article. We'll dive deep into the article in the next video and actually research more on what is Bittrade in the next video, okay? So another Japanese investor, Jasmy 457. Bittrade regular recruitment to lend and increase Jasmy. Awesome stuff. Absolutely great stuff, guys. That's very interesting. From Biddle to B, make it with crypto. When you zoom out on Jasmy, it is one of the most accumulated cryptos right now. There's really no way to go but up. Jasmy has the potential to recover its all-time high. These are from TA experts. I think I've covered this before, but I just wanted to bring it a lot more attention and zone in on it, right? To show you guys, these are TA guys. These are people that do it for a living, right? I'm not the best at TA. I know a little bit. I know a little bit of the basics, but these are people that do it for a living, that say Jasmy has the potential to recover its previous all-time high, right? And under the right circumstances, the Japanese Bitcoin could easily set a new record. So once we make this move up, that would be 100x from here for Jasmy at 36 cents. And in my opinion, we could easily push past that, because remember, guys, this bear market, you know, you guys make fun of the way I pronounce beer. That's beside the point. But this market that we've gone through, this bear market, has been the longest ever. It has lasted for 600 days. It is the longest bear market in history. And that is why I believe the next bull market will be the biggest we've ever seen. It'll be the one that literally reshapes everything crypto. Forget everything you know about crypto. This next bull market is the one that will change everything mentally for you as an investor, and it will shock everyone. All the price action that happens in the next bull market will shock everyone, and that's why I think Jasmy will shock everyone, guys. Just wait until the bull run. Dr. Jasmy, let's go. So right here you can see we are in an accumulation zone. We are probably doing the retest back down right now for Jasmy. Let's take a look at the chart. We're probably doing the retest back down from, to probably do a double bottom here at the 3 cent 003 mark. And then after that, we start to move up to 007, right? Around a 130% move. And Candlewick agrees. Yes, ready for another leg up. Awesome stuff. From House of Chimera, decoding Jasmy. The key ecosystem features explain: secure storage with personal data locker, control via secure knowledge communicator, IoT traceability with smart guardian, benefit from rewards and secure remote work through unique payment services, and secure PC. Personal Data Locker, the PDL, a secure decentralized storage solution for data bolstered by blockchain technology for immutability and traceability of usage. Secure Knowledge Communicator enables data democratization, allowing users to control, manage, and trace their personal data, ensuring data privacy and security. Jasmy Solution X Data Management provides advanced IoT solutions with low-cost security features, enabling data customization in smart homes and smart cities while protecting personal data. Payment Services and Jasmy Secure PC incorporates a unique payment system for data rewards and offers robust data security for remote work, emphasizing the value of individual data. And Smart Guardian allows secure registration and uses of IoT devices on a distributed network, binding each device to its owner's ID. Jasmy IoT Platform X and the reward system facilitates a fair data economy, rewarding users for their data, thus fostering a healthy data ecosystem. And at the center of all these great utilities is Jasmy, and this is why I personally am bullish on the project, guys. I think this utility and where the world is heading technologically will absolutely need Jasmy for decentralized data ecosystem. And with that, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you enjoyed the video. I really appreciate all the support that you guys give. I can't thank y'all enough. Please be sure to share with your friends and family as well. Comment down below. I love reading the comments and what you guys think. Jasmy fam, again, thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.